How to travel with pet on Air Transat. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I am excited because I am going to teach you how to travel with pets on Air Transat. So to travel with pets on Air Transat, you have a couple of options. The first thing is to put in your pets in the cabin. All right, for you to put your pet in the cabin, you have to ensure that your pet must weigh less than 10 kg. All right, and the pet must remain inside a carrier that fits under the seat, and the carrier should be leak proof, well ventilated, and soft sided. Okay, so in order for you to get the cabin, it's very simple. Just ensure that while booking your flight, you select seats that has cabin or are close to the cabin. And so this is how it is. Select your location, that is where you're coming from, select where you're heading to, your departure, your return, number of passengers, then click on continue. And then by clicking on the continue button, you'll be taken to the next stage where the number of flights available for that particular trip would be displayed. So as you can see, this number of flights, you can select it and then continue with the booking process. So by the right side of the screen here, you can see that there are about four options, four steps for you to complete in order for you to book this flight. So you can see flights, options, payment, confirmation. So under the options, that is where you will see the opportunity for you to select seats. All right, I can select seats that have a cabin or seats that are close to a cabin, and then you can be able to keep your pets in that cabin. But you must note that traveling with your pets on Air Transat is not for free. The fee varies from about $50 to about $100, depending on where you are coming to, depending on where you are going to, and depending on your location. And then you can also keep your pet in a checked baggage. Yes, but still you have to ensure that the combined weight of the pet and the carrier must not exceed 45 kg. And you can also do that during the booking process. Okay, you can include checked bag as one of the bags that you need because of your pets. You can also include your pets in the cargo and all of that. And also you can reserve your pet spot at least 3 days before departure to ensure availability. And how do you reserve? Once you're logged into your Air Transat website, move to the top right corner where you can see some options such as book, deals, destinations, travel information, then contact us. So click on the contact us option. By clicking on contact us, you'll be brought to the contact us page. On this page, you can see the help and contact page. Then you can scroll down until you can see the option that is related to pet. If you cannot find any, don't need to bother. Just scroll down until you can see other options here in order for you to contact Air Transat customer service by phone. So you can see assistance for passengers at the destination, booking or purchase in travel agency, customer relations. Just click on booking or purchase, and then you can see the numbers that you can call. So you can go ahead, call these numbers, and then book a reservation for your pet, and you're good to go. And also, like I said earlier, while booking the flight, ensure you select an extra checked baggage so that you can be able to keep your pets and the carrier inside the baggage, or for the cabin, ensure you also select that while booking your flight. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.